Hello, this is David from Kepler Trust Intelligence, and today I'm going to be giving you all you need to know about Schroder European Real Estate Investment Trust, which has the ticker SERE. SERE invests in a diversified portfolio of commercial continental European real estate with properties located in the Netherlands, France, Germany and other countries in Europe, excluding the UK. The manager is Jeff O'Dwyer, whose role entails all facets of investment management, including acquisition sourcing and due diligence, asset management, portfolio management and investor relations. Jeff joined Schroders in 2015. He's been working in the European investment market for about 20 years and is based in London, having had previous stints living and working in Italy and Germany, so he's got plenty of knowledge of the continental property market. SERE's investment objective is to provide shareholders with a regular and attractive level of income return, together with the potential for long-term income and capital growth through investing in commercial real estate in continental Europe. The investment strategy sees the company owning institutional quality, income-producing commercial real estate in European growth cities and regions. SERE's portfolio is balanced between two areas: stabilised income-producing real estate, which supports the dividend and represents about 70% of the portfolio, and value-add opportunities such as refurbishments and changes of use, which account for about 30% of the portfolio and where capital returns are a larger component of the total investment return. SERE is a unique proposition, being the only generalist REIT focused on Europe, providing a compelling proposition for investors looking to diversify beyond UK shores. As you can see from SERE's fact sheet, the portfolio is equally split at the top, with about a third in Germany, a third in France, and a fifth in the Netherlands. The remainder is currently in cash. On a sectoral basis, offices account for a third, industrial for 30%, and DIY/grocery 17%. The portfolio is concentrated by asset, with 15 properties held and the top 10 accounting for 78% of the portfolio value. The Paris Saint-Cloud office and Berlin retail/DIY assets are the biggest holdings. Again, the top 10 tenants account for 70% of the portfolio, with KPN, which is a Dutch telecommunications company, at the top. You can visit the Schroders website for an interactive view of the portfolio, where you can click on each marker to bring up more details and an image of each asset that SERE owns. Moving on to performance, and the first thing that we wanted to point out here is that you can clearly see from this dark blue line, which is the SERE share price total return, that the share price started to underperform in early 2022, which can be explained by the backdrop of rising interest rates causing investors to reduce their property holdings. This meant that SERE fell from a discount somewhere in the region of 8% at the start of 2022 to 30.7% today. Now, the performance data in our latest research note is a little out of date, being to the 14th of February 2024. The updated figures for SERE are that the current NAV total return since inception in December 2015 is 65%, and the share price total return is 19.3%, which is a bit higher than this shows after performance picked up recently. SERE is geared 24% loan to value net of cash and 33% gross of cash. SERE's debt is structured as various individual loans secured against specific assets rather than a single loan at a top company level. Some of SERE's assets are not geared at all. The company recently refinanced its shortest dated loan secured against the Paris Saint-Cloud asset, which was due to mature in December 2024. SERE pays quarterly dividends, and the board announced in March 2023 a reduction in the dividend to move to a policy of paying a fully covered dividend. SERE currently has a dividend yield of just over 8%, with dividend cover at around 106%. The ongoing charge is 2.6%. The management fee is structured in tiers, with the first tier at a rate of 1.1% on the first 500 million euros of EPRA NAV, and then the second tier at 1% for anything over 500 million euros. Head to the Schroders website for more information on SERE, and don't forget to check out the most recent note on the KTI website. Thanks for joining me today, and we hope to see you soon.
Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future results. The value of investments can fall as well as rise, and you may get back less than you invested when you decide to sell your investments. It is strongly recommended that if you are a private investor, independent financial advice should be taken before making any investment or financial decision. Please be aware that there can be a time lag when we release podcasts, meaning time-sensitive information may no longer be accurate at the time of publication. Kepler Partners LLP has a relationship with some of the companies covered in this podcast, which may impair its objectivity. Kepler Partners LLP is authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority.